In this Pssst Commissions review, I'm going to be showing you a software that is claiming that it's making them upwards of $930 per day. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Pssst Commissions, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. If you do decide that you want to pick this up, there are a bunch of bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says payments directly in our bank account, exposed, underground, done for you, payday app, bank says $930 a day, clone art success with one click, blah, 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 blah. So essentially what this is, and if you watch the sales video, they say that they're making a lot of money, they're doing affiliate marketing, and this is true. They are. And they'll talk about the fact that they're using these, like they're actually making tons of money every day, and that is real. Like I 100% believe that. However, the fact that you're going to buy this and start making a ton of money is not going to happen. I have a few issues with this product that I'm going to talk about in this review here. So they show you all this here. They show you all their income proof. But what the product actually does is it creates bonus pages for you. So it's going to create affiliate bonus pages, but I don't want you to think that you're just going to naturally make a bonus page and automatically start making money from that bonus page. It's just not going to happen. You do need to send traffic to it. So they say step 1, you enter your affiliate ID. Step 2, you clone their campaigns, which is true. You can clone them. And I'm going to show you some of these campaigns that they have here in a sec. And then you activate the free traffic. It's not really like you share it on social media, so it's not like amazing. And there's a way that they're doing it also with email scraping and stuff that's not so nice, which I don't think you should do. But and then they say you collect your money. So there's money that they made. I 100% believe that they've made this money. I know they make a ton of money from affiliate marketing. These testimonials, I don't know. They look a little bit too good to be true here. So I don't know if these are actually real people. But if we go down here, we look at all the money that they've made. Like this is, I believe this right here. These are they're doing affiliate marketing and they're making a lot of money, like $127,000. I believe it from June to June 30th, and then they have got another one here from May. In May, 131. Like I totally believe they're making this kind of money. They're big affiliate marketers. They make a lot of money. But I just don't want you to think that you are going to necessarily make that kind of money just because you buy a product like this. So if we scroll down here, if you purchase, you get access to the app, the cloning software, the mobile edition. I don't know what that is. The bonuses. There is an upgrade here to add on some extra program. $6 it says here. But what I want you to do is when you get to this page, make sure you move your mouse away. I don't think it's active right now. Oh, here we go. It is. So you can move your mouse away and bring the price down to $10.95. So if you are going to get it, make sure you do that because I always want you to get the lowest prices. Please hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, what I'm going to do is play you a quick video of them walking you through the app. Then I'm going to come back and show you what I think about it and some actual examples of some pages built with it and the OTOs and discounts.
Hello, welcome to this amazing video. And today I'm going to expose our underground done for you payday system that banks us $930 per day, plus how you can clone our sources with one click using a brand new app called Pssst Commissions. So Pssst Commission is world first one-click app that clones underground affiliate campaigns responsible for hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly for you, totally hands-free. So let me show you quickly how you can get this set up in less than 60 seconds. So I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so once you're inside Pssst Commission, you have access to the dashboard. As you can see the number of commission pages, traffic, and also a quick start video. So on the left hand side, you have access to the menu. You can see the campaigns where you can create and clone are done for you underground campaigns. You can see the email suite for getting leads and sending mails. You can see the bonus library, the ads builder, and also the bestseller. So in order to start making money from Pssst Commission, the very first thing you need to do is to head over to campaign and click on done for you campaigns. Now once you click on done for you campaigns, you have access to tons of underground affiliate campaigns that have generated over $100,000 for us in commission. So you as well can also clone these campaigns and start making money from it. And all it takes is just a simple click. So you look at any of the campaigns that you want to click and then click on the clone button. So here I'm just going to click on clone. So click on clone button, you click on OK. So once the campaign has been cloned for you, the next thing you need to do is to monetize the campaign, that is add your own affiliate URL to it. And in order to do that, just head over to action and click on the edit button. So once you click on edit campaign, it's going to bring you to this page. And all you have to do is just to change just two things. Come to where we have the redirect link, as you can see, input your affiliate link here for game pays, and then come to where we have the access link as well, then input your affiliate link here. There's a menu on the left side where you can access your affiliate link. That is, you can request for affiliate link to promote all these underground affiliate campaigns. So once you insert your affiliate link here, all you have to do is just to click on the publish button. And as you can see, in just two clicks, the first click you clone the campaign, the second click you add your own affiliate URL, and then your campaign is ready. So if you click on this link, it's going to open your affiliate campaign. Can you see that? So this is how your affiliate campaign page looks like. You can see the timer here. You can see the header, you can see the video, and inside the video as well, we have a buy button there. As people are watching the video, they can buy the products. You can see scarcity induced elements everywhere. You can see the buy button, which is already linked with your affiliate link. So, and this is the details of the product. You can see done for you bonuses are also on the page. All these bonuses are live inside your Pssst Commission bonus library. You have access link there and all that. So once the page has been created, the next thing is to start driving traffic to our page. Now, there are two ways to start getting traffic to your Pssst Commission pages. The first one is sharing your link to over 300 traffic sources. So you can share your link to over 300 traffic sources: Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, email, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and the likes. And the most powerful traffic source that we included inside this app is called the email suite. Now, email suite allows you to find targeted leads on the internet and also allow you to create 21 days email sequence with our AI email writer and send these emails to this leads live inside Pssst Commission. How awesome is that? So I'm going to show you exactly how that is done. So we head over to our lead finder. So once you head over to our lead finder, you need to find your target audience that you want to actually promote the product to. So depending on the type of product you're promoting, that will determine the type of audience you want to build or the type of list you want to build. So here I can just say digital marketer, people that want to make money online, internet marketer, online business owners. You can just put in any keyword and click on find audience. And in one click, it's going to generate targeted leads for you. Can you see that? If you want to add more leads, you can just click on add more leads. And in one click, you can see it's going to add more leads. So once you're okay with the number of leads, you just have to click on export in CSV. And as you can see, the leads will be downloaded to your system automatically. So we move to the next phase, which is manage leads. So you click on manage leads, and then you click on create new lists. So you can give your list a name. Yeah, I'm just going to give it the name of the keyword digital marketer. So, and then you upload the list. You see that? Select. And then you click on save list. Can you see the list has been created? This is the total number of leads, 42. You can delete the list, you can export it later. So once we are done, the next thing is to create our email series. You don't even have to write the email yourself. So I'm going to show you this powerful software that creates 21 days email sequence for you that you can use to promote any product in this underground affiliate campaign. So once I click on email campaigns, so we just have to fill in simple questions here, and after a few clicks, the software is going to write 21 days email sequence that we can use to promote any of the underground affiliate campaigns that we have inside Pssst Commission. How awesome is that? So let's get started with that. So I'm just going to fill the form. You can see the first page is the product contact information. So you fill in the details, which is your first name, last name, enter the product name here. So you can see I'm promoting game pays, then your own company name. This is optional. You can put anything there. This will just come in the email. It's not being used for anything. So then your URL, this is the URL of your Pssst Commission campaign. So you put it there, your business address, the way it will appear below your email. So you put all these details here, then your autoresponder for addressing customer first name, you put it there as well. Your email address that you want to use to send out mails, you put it there. Then your phone number, this is optional as well. So once you're done with that, you just click on the next button. Then it takes you to the next page. You can see you'll be asked few more questions, like what can they achieve with these products? Now, all these questions, you can get answers to them on the sales page. And that's exactly what I did. I went to the sales page of Game Pays and just pick about the greatest desire, the benefits of the products, and then I slot in inside this question and answer. Can you see? So once I'm done, I click on the next button. So all the answers you need to provide for these questions are already on the sales page. Like I said earlier on, you go to the sales page of the product you're promoting, you see everything there. All you have to do is just to copy and paste. And once you're done, you fill in all the questions. Can you see? Once you're done, you click on next, next, and then you submit. And in one click, you can see the emails have been created. If you click on view emails now, you can see our AI has created, can you see this email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 done for you emails that you can use to promote the affiliate campaign that we just created. So you can see that these are actually high quality emails. You can see the subject, you can see the body there, and you can see your link, everything is there. You can see your link is also included automatically, and you see your details there. So these are professionally written emails by our AI. So once the email has been written, you can copy any of the emails and use it in your campaign. So let's say I want to use this, you can just copy this and then go to our email suite, then go to sender. Once you come to sender, then you select the list you want to mail. You can say this is the list. Then your from email, you put the email here. Can you see that? And then you paste your message here. Can you see this is the message? I can remove the title, the subject here, and paste the subject here. Can you see that? So you can decide to edit anything you want to edit. Like here, you can remove this and hyperlink it. Remove this, then highlight it, come to link, insert your link, you can see you're good to go. Same thing, you can hyperlink this one as well. Can you see? So you can see our email has been created, and once you're done, you just hit the send button and your email will be sent to your list. Can you see email sent? So this is how you can send email using our powerful email suite to generate targeted leads, also create 21 high converting email sequence that you can send to your leads. So you can see how that is done. We also have the bonus library. This is where you have access to all the bonuses. So as you can see, the bonus library, so any of the bonuses that you use on your page, you can have access to the download link. So these are the download link, as you can see, and you can click here to download it as well. So these are the download links. So we also have the ad builder that allow you to create ads in case you want to create your own graphics for your own bonuses. We also have the best sellers to see top selling products, which you can also promote as well. So as you can also create your campaign from scratch. If you don't want to use any of our done for you campaigns, you can come to create campaigns and create your own campaign from scratch. So this is how Pssst Commission works.
Okay, so we are back. So this is an actual bonus page that's built with the software. So this is an example that they gave here. So it's a basic bonus page. It's funny, like it doesn't look very beautiful, but I will give them this. Like bonus pages don't necessarily need to be beautiful. They just need to work, and they just need to do the job that they need to do, which is to get people on the page, to pre-sell them on the offer, and to get them to click the link. And this can do that. So that's fine. Another one here is another bonus page that they've created. That's fine. Here's another bonus page. That's fine. So inside the app, one of the things that they have like the campaign builder and stuff. That's good. Like if you want to build bonus pages, great. But this is where I have a little bit of an issue, a big issue actually, is the lead finder. Like you're going to go out here and you're going to find leads and you're going to start mass messaging these leads, bulk emails. Now, in most places, and you need to do research on your can spam rules for the area that you live in most places you can individually email people about business offers. Of course, it depends upon where you are in the world, but you can individually email people specific offers if you're like, there are rules about it. You can't just like mass send it to them, but you can like send to them if you're like individually addressing them, kind of like you would normally email someone, like a cold email. Cold emailing is actually not spam, but if you just grab a bunch of emails and you blast them out an affiliate offer, don't do that. You're not going to get a great result from that. And that's what this is actually telling you to do with this. So I wouldn't do that if I were you. Of course, it's your business, but you can do what you want. They do have an ads builder. They've got a place where you can actually find different offers on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. They've got some tutorials in here on how to do this. Maybe the tutorials aren't in there yet, so we'll see. But yeah, you can, with the campaign builder, you can create campaigns. They have the done for you campaigns. You can clone their bonus pages and get your bonus pages up really quickly. So it will do your bonus pages for you, and it will host your bonus pages for you. So that's a pretty cool aspect of this. You can go in here and you can click like what bonuses you want to add onto the page. That's a pretty cool aspect of this. So I will give them that on this. So there are multiple OTOs here. There's an unlimited, a done for you, an automation, a missing code, a license rights. So it's a reseller rights, and then a multiple commission one. What you want to do on each one of these is move your mouse away and you should get a discount. So if you're going to purchase any of them, make sure you do that. I also want you to get the lowest prices. Hit that like button, please. It really helps. But yeah, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Pssst Commissions? I like saying it. And what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I do not like the email marketing thing where you just scrape emails and mass email people. So do not like that. Sorry, don't. But I don't think you're going to get very good results from doing that. And in a lot of places, it's like you could get yourself in trouble. I'm not a lawyer, but you could potentially get yourself in trouble. So don't do that. What do I like about this? If you are looking for a way of quickly building a bonus page and you want a software that has it like automatically like hosted for you, and you can click little buttons and add bonuses and be able to just kind of pop in your affiliate link, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Pssst Commissions, go ahead and click my link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.